Hello, I'm Carl Chris from Diamon-Fusion International, and I'm here today to show you how to use the Windshield Defender Kit. Windshield Defender Kit will cover 28 square feet or an average windshield, and it's the perfect application to protect your windshield, help repel rain, improve driver visibility, and much more. Each kit comes with 2 Defender nanopacks, a restoration powder nanopack, a white scrubber, a microfiber towel, and it's everything you need to protect your windshield. To begin the process, you first have to assess the glass. If the windshield is clean, then you could skip the preparation step. But if it's dirty, has grime and other contaminants on it, you want to use the restoration powder. To get started, you want to pull your wipers up out of the way. Next, you want to sprinkle a little bit of the restoration powder on your scrubber pad. Next, get the windshield wet. You can either spray water with a bottle or use soapy water. And then you begin scrubbing. We're just going to do this little section here, but what you do is do the entire windshield. Now, once it's all clean, you then want to make sure it's dry. We recommend using a squeegee, but you can also use a towel. Now we're ready to apply Windshield Defender. To apply the coating, first make sure you're not doing it in direct sunlight, but if you are applying it outdoors, do it on an overcast day or in the shade. Next, take out the towelette, but don't unfold it immediately. It'll start to dry out, so just unfold it as necessary. Next, we apply the coating in circular motions, overlapping circular motions, making sure to get the edges and the corners and the entire windshield. Once you've done this for the entire windshield, you can then buff it out. There's no cure time, so the bond happens almost immediately, so just buff it out. And to test the quality of your coating, spray it with some water and look for those telltale water-repellent beads. And that is how you apply the Windshield Defender. I'm Carl Chris from Diamon-Fusion International. Thanks for joining me.